Okay, welcome back to Coding Session episode 2. We're doing another episode because we just rebooted the series. We're going to be doing nearHundred posNeg notString on Codingbat.com's Java section in warm-up 1. So let's get started. So the first problem is given an int n return true if it is within 10 of 100 or 200, and it gives a hint to use the absolute method in the math class to return the absolute value of the numbers. So we simply just do return math, and since we're returning a Boolean variable, we can just check return with checking two conditionals between an OR operator. Math absolute 100 minus n is greater than or I'm sorry, less than or equal to 10, or math.absolute 200 minus n is less than or equal to 10. This will check for both of those conditions, just like that. So next activity, and some of these are already filled out because I had to do, OBS was glitching out and not recording, so I had to do multiple takes on this, so I apologize. So given two int values, return true if one is negative, one is positive, except if the parameter negative is true, then return true only if both are negative. So the easiest case, this is kind of like the parrot example, the talking parrot example in the last episode. If negative is equal to true, or if negative, if a is less than 0 and b is less than 0, we return true. Now we gotta do else ifs, because if this condition is not met, it's going to continue executing and our return may be incorrect and it'll give us some errors in testing. So if a, we do else if a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0, we return true. Now we have two more conditions to check to return false, and pretty much the opposite of this else if. Which is for a to be positive and b to be negative. Otherwise, if none of those conditions are met, we just simply return false. Alright, next problem. Given a string, return a new string where not has been added to the front. So we just do the most obvious case, the easiest situation. Return not space character plus string. However, if the string already begins with not, return the string unchanged. So if we just do if string dot substring for 0 to 3, which is the first three characters in the string 0, 1, 2, 3 being exclusive in this method, exclusive, is dot equals. Now they give you a hint to use dot equals because in Java you have to use dot equals. You can't use the double equal sign to compare two strings. Is equals to not, we return string. Now this code is going to give us some errors in testing, and I want to show it. If the character has three or less characters, less than 3 characters, it's going to throw some index out of bounds exceptions. So we have to check for one more condition, which is the length of the string. You just check it by str, the string variable or parameter, dot length, open and closing braces, is greater than or equal to 3 with double ands, because both conditions have to be true in order to return the string unchanged. And there we go. So thank you guys for watching this episode of Coding Session, and I'll see you in next week's episode. Peace.